Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Dately Houseplants. In today's video, we are unboxing the December subscription box from Archer and Olive. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, this box is gorgeous and it's huge. It's quite tall. It's pretty wide as well. It has this beautiful gold foiling on it. It says, "Let's get cozy and warm in our favorite cafe and watch the snowfall from our little table." Look at all this cute pattern here, all of these florals here. I love this. This is gorgeous. Like, I feel like now that I've done just over a year with these boxes, they have definitely gotten better from when I started this subscription, and it's making it harder and harder for me to end it. Alrighty, so just to kind of give you, I don't know if you can see, like, look at how big this box is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, and we are going to take everything out and just kind of, just to give you an idea. Look at how full this box is. This is so gorgeous. Let's pull everything out and we'll start taking a look at the items one by one. Okay, I have everything kind of stacked off to the side. I'm going to start with this little package here. It says collaging set, embellishing vellum, sheets, and stickers. Oh, this is a beautiful envelope, little vellum envelope. So let's see if I can pull this out. Let's see, do I have everything? I think so. Oh, these are pretty. So this is that same pattern that you saw in the box. I don't know if you can tell in this color, but you see the little flowers here and then the little dots scalloping. Oh, this might be a better side, darker. How pretty is that? So let's see. Okay, so there's 2 sheets of that. And then, ooh, look at this color. There's 2 sheets of this color, kind of a white, a winter white, not a bright white. And then, oh, this is pretty. That mauvey pink that I love so much. Just little sheets here. And then look at this beautiful kind of periwinkle blue, kind of slate gray blue. And then what do we have here? Oh, a sheet of stickers. Cafe, come in, we're open. So this is sort of their theme this month. They've got a bunch of, basically a cozy cafe line that they launched. I'm trying to see if these are, yeah, they're paper, they're opaque. That's cute, little cafe scene. And then let's see. Well, there's 2 sheets of that. And then this is just a, oh, 3 sheets. Okay. Are these the same? Yeah, they're the same. So 3 sheets of the stickers and then 2 sheets each of all of these different colored vellums. How pretty is that? That's beautiful. Okay. Let's see what's next. Okay, so this says, look at how cute all their packaging is so gorgeous. Mechanical pencils, set of 2. It's got a little ribbon pull here. Oh, how sweet. It's that same floral pattern in the blue and the pink. How cute is this? I don't have pretty mechanical pencils. Let's see. Let's get something here so we can test this out. It's the pink one. Oh, this came loose. Let me tighten that up. There we go. Just get some of that lead out. And then let's pull, I'm going to pull this notebook. I wonder if this is like an 05 or a 7 pencil. I like that. Oh, it writes really nice. I'm excited. Now I have a fancy mechanical pencil because everybody needs that, right? Let me just see if I can get this the right. These write really nice. They're very smooth. Oh, I like these. These are so cute. I'm excited about that. Okay. So again, a set of 2 mechanical pencils. Those are really beautiful. Okay, next we have stationery scissors to help with the tiny details. Again, beautiful packaging, that same pattern. It's a magnetic closure on this box, so this is definitely something you could use as a keepsake box. Ooh, these are nice. Let's see. So we've got gold handles here. They've got their little ampersand logo there. And these are really a fine tip point. Ooh, I like how smooth they are. They have a nice smooth finish there. I'm going to pull a piece of paper. Oh yeah, these are a good cut. And you can do, let's see. That's a good tip for getting around. Fussy cutting is what they call it in the quilting world. My mom calls that when you're cutting around like a pattern. Ooh, these are nice. These are really pretty. I wonder if these will be available on the website. Okay, so there's the stationery scissors. Something about scissors, friends, I don't know if you know this, but if you have scissors that you use to cut paper, you should never use them to cut fabric. And if you cut fabric with your scissors, you should never use those to cut paper. So you should dedicate your scissors to either paper or fabric, but don't cut both with them, because then you'll ruin them, you'll dull them out. It's not good. So in our household, we've always kept our scissors separate. So these are stationery scissors. And then let's see, this is a set of gel pens. Let's pull these out. This is a really good box. I thought the last box was really good. They, like I said, since I started getting these boxes, they've gotten much, much better. Ooh, those are so pretty. Okay, let's pull these off of here. Let's see, do they have nothing written on them? So I don't know what the names of the colors are. Let's see if there's anything on here. It just says set of pens. Usually they have like a name for the color palette, but let's pull back my book and let's see if we can write and do some sampling on these. So let's start here with this color. Ooh, it's like a beige. I don't know what else to call that. That's pretty. They write nicely too. I mean, you would expect that, right? And then let's see, this is like, oh, a dusty rose, my favorite kind of color, my favorite pink. These write really well, like for right out of the box, friends, like cracking them open brand new. There's no like skipping, it's just like nice flow to the ink. Oh, this is that color I love. So these basically look like the same colors as the vellum. This is really nice. Okay, and then there's this color. This is more of like a, I'm gonna call this bronze, for lack of a better idea. I like how these write. And then this one is a gray. Let's see what this looks like. It's a warm gray. Really cute. Oh, I like these a lot. These are pretty and they write nice. Okay, wow. That's really cool. I like those. Okay, so let's see what's next. Okay, next we have decorative tapes, a washi set of 4. They always include a washi set, which is really fun. So let's see. What do we, ooh. Oh, this is cute. I love this one because I love that flower pattern. And this has all those cute little coffee icons like the stickers. And then a nice basic stripe. And then this is cute. Little hearts here. Kind of like the little design people make on their espresso on their coffee. Okay, let's pull some of this out. Let's get the book back out. And let's do a little sampling of each of these. If I can find the ends. All right, friends, so I swatched all 4 of them. It looks like these could even be vertical. Well, this one you're gonna wanna use vertically. That way the pictures are the right side up. And then also what I'm thinking, you could trim between these too and use them as just separate little icons. And then this is cute too. I feel like this one could go vertical or horizontal. It really doesn't matter on this one quite as much, but this one definitely. So you want the little writing and the cups going the right way. Cute. These are just so beautiful. I love the colors. Alrighty, there's still more to show. Next is this decorative pen storage tin. Your desk just got a lot more fun. So let's take a look at this. Ooh, this is cute. Archer and Olive always pour some positivity. Oh, how cute. This is what, like the English teas come in like little tins like this. So how sweet. You could put your pens in here. Let's see. We'll grab these pens that we just got, stick them in there. You could throw that in your bag if you needed to, or just keeping it on your desktop is also cute. How fun is that? This is really pretty. You could use this for anything though. You don't necessarily have to use it for pens. Like maybe, oh, I have a tin like this that I use for loose buttons. It's my button tin. How cute. I like that. That's sweet. That's really cute. Okay. Next, Cozy Cafe mug, hand wash only. Alrighty. This is such a nice box. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, how cute. It's raised, like embossed, the little flower pattern with the little scallop dots all the way around. It's got the little Archer and Olive logo here on the bottom. Look at the shape of the handle. That's unique. It's so delicate. It's definitely like a cute little teacup. Oh, look at the inside. How beautiful. Can you see all that? It's got that pretty kind of beigey pink on the inside with all of those beautiful little florals. This is gorgeous. Oh, I don't want to even put this in my cupboard. Nobody can use this but me. It's my special cup. I am a tea drinker, so I think this is perfect for tea. Oh, that's so darling. Okay, wait, there's more, friends. We haven't even gotten to the notebooks. Okay, let's start with this notebook. Oh, this is a beautiful box. I love this color. Let's go ahead and we'll crack this plastic open. Alrighty. Handcrafted journals and planners to enhance your everyday life. Okay. Oh, it's the inside of the cup. Ooh, wait, this is beautiful. This has more of like a textured finish, not quite a linen finish, but it's definitely not the same smooth, like my notebook here. This has like a smooth paper finish to it. This one here has more of a textured finish to it. Oh, I love that. So it's A5. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look, it's very similar to this one, so it's totally right up my alley, totally my style. Oh, wow. Okay, so the elastic closure, the pen loop that we all know and love, and then inside your name page. And then this one is a dot grid, a white dot grid. Beautiful pages. And then let's see, on the inside of the back, there's the accordion little envelope there. And then, of course, the ribbon bookmark with their ampersand. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love this book. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Inside, the box just says, Archer and Olive creates mental wellness, creativity tools, and experiences that foster connections through your own artistic expression. Share and create your journey with us. And then just kind of where they are on social. Oh, look, they have a code, 10% off. Share the love 10 for new customers only. This is gorgeous. I'm so excited for this book. It's so pretty. I love the color of this elastic band. Just the same pattern all the way around. And the binding there. So pretty. Okay, we have one more journal here to share. So let's crack this open. This one obviously is a square journal. Let's see. Ooh, oh, this is a linen finish. I don't have one of these books with the linen finish. how pretty. I love this gray. It's got the cute little cafe here on the front, the elastic band, and then here's your name page. Oh, this is a lined book. I don't have a lined book. I only have the top grid ones. How cool. Oh, this is definitely for writing, for journaling, anything. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Here we go. I'm getting to the bookmarks here. This beautiful silvery gray ribbon with their little ampersand. So cute. And then let's see, go to the back. We've got the same accordion file pocket there. Pen loop, of course. This is gorgeous. Let's see. This book is 160 line pages, and the other book here is 192 dot grid. And then just, oh, I love the feel of this. I've always wanted one of their linen books. This is beautiful. What an amazing box, friends. Like I said, they're getting better and better with these. I'm just so hard pressed. I can't quit them. All right, let me pull everything back in for one last look. All right, friends, I think you can see a little bit of everything that we got in this beautiful box. This is just gorgeous. I love all of these cozy, warm colors. This mug is just precious. Like I said, they keep giving me reasons to keep this subscription. I kept thinking, I was like, oh, I did a year, I'm gonna let it go, but they just keep getting better and better. All right, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.